How many words should I learn per day? Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, we are going to talk about an important question. How many words should you learn per day? This is a common question for English learners. Let's explore it together. Why is vocabulary important? Words are the building blocks of language. When you know more words, you can say more things, read more books, and understand more people. Learning new words is like adding bricks to a house. Each brick makes the house stronger and bigger. Think about this. If you want to describe a beautiful day, you need words like sun, blue, and warm. Without these words, it is harder to share your thoughts. That's why building your vocabulary is so important. Every word you learn is a tool to express yourself and connect with others. But how many bricks should you add each day? Let's find out. The right number of words. Start small. For beginners, learning 1 to 3 words each day is a good start. This gives you enough time to understand the meaning of the words. Practice saying them. Use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word happy, you can make a sentence like, I am happy today. Simple, right? Take your time to practice the word in different ways, like writing it down, saying it aloud, and using it in questions, such as, are you happy? For busy learners. If you are very busy, even learning 1 word per day is great. Imagine learning 30 new words in a month. Every word you learn brings you closer to speaking English fluently. Remember, it's not about speed. It's about steady progress. 1 word learned well is better than 5 words quickly forgotten. For advanced learners. If you already know many words, you can learn 5 to 10 words per day. Just make sure you don't rush. Quality is better than quantity. Focus on understanding and using the words. For example, if you learn the word improve, you can practice by saying, I want to improve my English. Try to make more sentences and think of related words like better or progress. Why not learn too many words? Learning 20 or 30 words in a day might sound exciting, but it's not helpful. Why? Because it's hard to remember so many words. You might feel tired and give up. You won't have time to practice using the words. When you learn too many words, they can become a list in your mind that you quickly forget. Instead, learning a few words every day allows you to focus deeply on each one. For example, if you learn the word friend, take time to understand how to use it. My friend is kind. Do you have a friend? Or, I made a new friend today. By taking it slow, you can make sure each word becomes a part of your active vocabulary. You will feel more confident and less stressed. How to learn words effectively. Use flashcards. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other side. Review your flashcards every day. For example, word big. O meaning large in size. O sentence. The dog is big. You can also add a picture to your flashcard. For example, draw a big tree or a big animal. Pictures help you remember words faster and make learning more fun. Practice speaking. Say the new words aloud. Try to use them in your daily conversations. For example, if you learn the word hungry, say, I am hungry now. This helps you remember the word. You can also ask yourself questions like, What makes me hungry? Or, how do I feel when I am hungry? Speaking the words helps you connect them to real life. Review regularly. At the end of the week, review all the words you learned. Make new sentences. For example, if you learn the words happy, excited, and proud, you can make a sentence like, I am happy and proud of my excited friend. Reviewing helps you see how words connect and stay in your memory longer. Use apps or tools. There are many apps to help you learn English words. These apps often have games and quizzes to make learning fun. For example, you can match words with pictures or fill in the blanks in sentences. Find tools that work for you and use them every day. What happens over time? Steady progress. If you learn 3 words every day, that's 90 words in 1 month and over 1,000 words in a year. Think about how much more you can say, read, and understand. These words will open new doors for you in conversations, reading, and listening. Confidence. Using new words will make you feel proud and confident. Imagine saying, "This meal is delicious," and your friend understands you. That feels amazing, doesn't it? Confidence grows with practice, and each word you learn is a step toward fluency. Strong vocabulary. With more words, English becomes easier. You can watch movies, read books, and talk to people with confidence. For example, if you watch a movie and hear the word adventure, you'll know it means something exciting and fun, like a trip or new experience. So, how many words should you learn each day? It depends on you. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the process. Remember, learning even one word every day can make a big difference. Thank you for joining English Listening Journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning and see you next time.